Third and fourth step. Keep a soft smile on your face. Feel your body getting healthier and happier. Feel your body getting lighter and lighter. Blood flows from here to there. Feel your heartbeat go boom, boom. Liver, kidney, all the functions in your body are working on their own. There is a web of countless nerves spread all over your body. Your lungs slowly are getting filled with your breath, and from there they spread all over your body. Your body is getting healthier. Every nerve is getting stronger. You can feel the cool breeze on your body. With that, some matter enters your body. With that, every organ is getting stronger and stronger. Surprising, so many functions of the body, such complicated work, but still, they all are working so well together. Your body is getting healthier and healthier. Eyes are closed, but still you can see so clearly, so clean. Your ears pick up the smallest sound, and you can hear it so clearly. Now, as the stability of the body is increasing, your thoughts are clear, very clear. You can very clearly see them. New, different thoughts, they come and go. I sit peacefully, without moving, and watch them. Like a passenger in a train, watching the view through his window passing by. They come and go. They come and go. Each time a different view, a different view. Now I have stopped viewing them. They are of no use to me. For me, they have come and gone, and I am moving ahead and ahead. Now it's of no use seeing or thinking about them. My body is at peace. All the functions of the body are quiet. Breath comes on its own and goes. Breath comes on its own and goes. Slowly, slowly, breathing decreases. The body is getting stable, more stable, completely stable. The body stable. The mind is stable. Breathing stable. Surrounding sounds stable. The air stable. Everything is stable. Detached from your memories. Detached from all cultures. Detached from all relationships. Detached from it all. Detached from my own body. I just watch them. This is stability. This is you. This is your consciousness. Now slowly, slowly, the secret of nature opens up. The whole universe is filled with atoms. Atoms come together and create something. Atoms break up and the creation ceases to exist. When things are created, you feel happy. You feel sad when they cease to exist. But I am detached from all this, totally detached. Then what is sadness and what is happiness? Who is your loved one and who is a stranger? You are not affected by all this. You are like an observer. You just keep on looking. I am detached from this body. Neither I am mind nor intellect. I am a consciousness. I am a divine consciousness which cannot be destroyed. Now, watching things being created or ceasing to exist does not affect me. The highest consciousness of the universe is now within me. I am becoming powerful and I am becoming healthy. I am becoming more powerful and I am becoming supremely healthy. The mind is filled with happiness. I am experiencing ultimate happiness. I am experiencing supreme happiness. And much more happiness. This is Dhyan. Now I am still. No more thoughts. Whatever is happening, let it happen. You don't have to do anything. Just sit peacefully, absolutely quiet, very quiet.